Hello, and welcome back to Sleepy English, your space to listen, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use clear, simple words, and I repeat ideas so speaking can feel calm and confidence can grow step by step. Today's topic is small talk in English, friendly lines and light ideas. What to say when meeting someone new, what to ask in a shop or at work, how to begin a gentle conversation on a bus or at a party. By the end, everyday small talk sentences will feel clearer and more natural. Let's begin. Why does small talk matter in English? Small talk is real life. It happens at work, in a lift, in a cafe, and on the street. Deep topics are not needed. Simple, soft lines open the door. Ask about the day, the weather, the place, or simple plans. Share a mood. Calm, busy, curious, excited. The best part? Small talk builds useful, real English that connects people. Perfection is not required. Trying is enough. With small talk, thinking moves into English. Speech sounds more natural. Sentences stay simple and complete. Translation slows down. And speaking feels easier. A quick example. A neighbor at the door says, "How's your day going?" Natural answers sound like, "Pretty good, thanks. Just got back from work," or "Not bad. I'm heading to the gym." Short, warm, and real. Even without a class or a partner, small talk can grow through simple lines used aloud or written in a note. When words feel stuck, starting points help. How is the day? How is the weather? How is the place? Any plans later? These questions support memory, create steady habits, and keep thoughts moving in full sentences. Morning coffee, a lunchtime walk, or a quiet moment in the evening can all be gentle times to build this skill. The key is simplicity, familiar English used often. Over time, ease arrives. One phrase today, two tomorrow. A small toolkit next week. Step by step, word by word, one real sentence at a time. Okay, the first moments of a conversation set the tone. Friendly openings make things easy. Here are simple opening sentences. Hi there. How are you today? Nice to see you. How's your morning going? How's your day so far? Busy morning or an easy one? What brings you here today? Have we met before? I don't think we've been introduced. I like your jacket. Is this a good time to chat? I'm new around here. First time at this event? Are you from this area? Do you live close by? Lovely to meet you. A first chat at a cafe. Short story. I step into a small cafe and join the queue. The place smells like fresh coffee and warm bread. I turn to the person beside me and smile, asking whether the day is busy or calm. They laugh and say it's busy but good. I point at the menu and ask for a favorite drink. They suggest the iced latte and say it's always nice here. I thank them and ask if they come often. They say they stop by most mornings on the way to work. When my turn comes, I order the same drink and thank them for the tip. I wish them a good day and take my coffee to the window seat. A small chat, simple and kind, feels natural. Now, small talk at work or school, the middle part of the day. Short, friendly lines still help. Offices, classes, or work from home. Big morning so far? How's your project going? Anything I can help with? Did you catch the update? That meeting was quick. That meeting felt long. The office is quiet today. Are you in the office tomorrow? Working from home today? Coffee break? Do you have a minute? What are you working on? Any plans for lunch? Good luck with your presentation. Nice job on that report. A tiny workplace story. At the printer, a simple hello starts a short chat. A quick question about a project leads to a small update. Slow progress. But fine. An offer to take a look brings a smile and a thanks. Lunch plans are light. Maybe a sandwich later. A wish for a smooth day closes the talk. It's a brief moment that builds trust and keeps the day light. Small talk in public places, shops, stations, lifts, waiting rooms. Is this seat taken? Do you mind if I sit here? Long line today, huh? Busy place today. Do you know what time it closes? Is this the right counter? It's my first time here. Nice place, isn't it? Great music in here. The smell is amazing. Weather small talk, easy, safe, and understood by everyone. Lovely day, isn't it? It's a bit chilly this morning. Feels like rain is coming. Can you believe this heat? Such changeable weather lately. Finally some sunshine. Windy out there today. The sky looks clear now. I didn't expect fog today. Spring is on the way. Small talk with neighbours. Short, polite, friendly. How's everything with you? Good to see you again. Did you just move in? Your plants look great. Lovely evening for a walk. Do you know when the bins go out? Let me know if you ever need anything. I think we have the same courier. Is the lift working today? Take care. See you around. Small talk at social events. Parties, dinners, meetups, weddings. What's your name? How do you know the host? Have you been here before? I love your shoes. The food is great, isn't it? Is it always this busy here? I think we've met before. Where are you from? What do you do? Great to meet you. Small talk in shops and cafes. Busy today, isn't it? I love the coffee here. Have you tried the cake? They changed the menu. Do you take cards? Any recommendations? I always get the same thing. It's my first time here. That looks good. What is it? Have a great day. Travel and transport, small talk. Bus, train, plane. Is this seat free? Do you know when we arrive? Is this the right platform? Long journey ahead. Do you travel often? I always forget something when I travel. Have you flown with this airline before? I hope there are no delays. Is this your stop too? Safe travels. Weekend talk. Plans and reviews. Got any plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? I just relaxed at home. It went by so fast. I didn't do much, really. I caught up on sleep. I met a friend for lunch. I tried a new place in town. Hope you have a nice weekend. A complete small talk toolkit now sits in one place. Openings, cafe chats, work lines, neighbour-friendly phrases, public place starters, weather comments, social event lines, shop and cafe talk, travel talk, and weekend talk. Morning greetings, midday check-ins, and evening conversations become lighter with ready language that fits everyday life. Great work today. A full set of small talk lines has been explored, with clear phrases and complete sentences that support real communication. This is steady progress. English used in real moments, one sentence at a time. Confidence grows with simple words and calm delivery. This is sleepy English. Warm wishes until next time.